The first simple business plan, template package for a food truck business. A time-saving, done for you step-by-step. Fill in the blank solution for writing a compelling food truck business plan and marketing plan. This will engage your providers of finance. Simple over-your-shoulders guide you can follow for your food truck business. We'll never tell you to go write the executive summary, the business strategy, or any sections of your business plan. Instead, we walk you through the entire sections, so you know exactly what to do. You'll feel confident in completing every section. Our business plan for success blueprint is based on winning plans that have generated millions of dollars in bank loans and investment finance for small business. Our proven marketing plan template. Just follow this template to quickly create your marketing plan that serves both providers of finance and your marketing department or agency. The quickest way to get finance for your business by following a step-by-step and fill-in-the-blank proven method for writing a great business plan. Steal these ideas and start writing your food truck business plan today. If you want 4 winning templates for the price of one, and for your business plan to be in the 2% of plans that are successful in getting finance, go to the website below now.